Welcome children, Sai Ram. In today's class of EVS 1, we will continue with chapter number 10, More About Water, part 3. Before we proceed, let us recap new words. Number 1, fragrant, F-R-A-G-R-A-N-T, fragrant. Number 2, smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Number 3, ripe, R-I-P-E, ripe. Number 4, cardboard, C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D, cardboard. Number 5, candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Number 6, transparent, T-R-A-N-S-P-A-R-E-N-T, transparent. Number 7, opaque, O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. Number 8, heap, H-E-A-P, heap. Number 9, container, C-O-N-T-A-I-N-E-R, container. Number 10, surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. Number 11, cubes, C-U-B-E-S, cubes. Number 12, burner, B-U-R-N-E-R, burner. Number 13, tongs, T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Number 14, droplets, D-R-O-P-L-E-T-S, droplets. Number 15, freezes, F-R-E-E-Z-E-S, freezes. Number 16, melts, M-E-L-T-S, melts. Number 17, vapor, V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. Number 18, steam, S-T-E-A-M, steam. Number 19, solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid. Number 20, liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Number 21, gaseous, G-A-S-E-O-U-S, gaseous. Now children, let us recap of what we have learned in the last two parts. We have learned that pure water has no color. Pure water has no smell. Pure water has no taste. Pure water is transparent. Water takes the shape of its container. Water spreads on a flat surface. Water flows down a slope. We have also learned that when water becomes very cold, it freezes. That is, it turns into ice. When ice is left uncovered, it gets heat from the air around it. It melts. That is, it forms water. When water gets enough heat, it turns into vapor. The boiling water in the experiment turned into vapor. That is why the water in the beaker was reduced. As steam cools, it turns into water. The plate held in the steam was cool. So, the steam that collected on its underside cooled down and droplets of water were formed. The water we use every day is its liquid state. Ice is its solid state. Vapor is the state of water in which it is a gas. Water vapor is the gaseous state of water. So children, there are three states of water. They are solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Example of solid state is ice. Example of liquid state is water. Example of gaseous state is water vapor. Now children, today let us try this experiment. But this should only be done under adult supervision. Okay, you have to do this under your parents' supervision. Is that clear? Now, when chapatis have been made and the griddle is still very hot, sprinkle a few drops of water on it. Now children, let us try this. Now children, look at this. This is a griddle and it is very hot. Now let us sprinkle few drops of water on it. Now children, what do you see? You can see that the drops sprinkled on the griddle become round like beads. Yes? So, you can see that the drops sprinkled on the griddle become round like beads and disappear even as you watch. So children, what does this tell us? This tells us that the griddle is very hot and the heat from the griddle changes the water into water vapor all at once. Okay. Now children, let us try this. Take water in a glass, add a pinch of salt to the water and stir it with a spoon. Now children, let us try this. Now children, take a glass of water and salt and a spoon. Now add a pinch of salt to the water. Now stir it with a spoon. So children, what do you see? You do not see the salt in the water anymore. That means the salt has dissolved in the water. Okay. Now, with the spoon, place a drop of this water on your tongue. So children, what do you find? you find that it tastes salty. And what does this tell us? This tells us that the water was salty. It means that the salt is still there in the water, though we cannot see it. In other words, the salt has dissolved in the water. Some substances dissolve in water. For example, sugar, turmeric powder, red chili powder, etc. But some substances do not dissolve in water. For example, oil, soil, charcoal powder, sand, etc. Now children, do you know? Water has to be frozen to make ice. Many people have refrigerators in which ice can be made. In factories, ice is made in large quantities. Ice candy or ice fruit is made by freezing water to which sugar, fruit juice and color have been added. So children, what we have learnt? We have learnt that water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. Water is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Several substances dissolve in water. I repeat, we have learnt that water has no color, smell or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. Water is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Several substances dissolve in water. Always remember, we know that liquid water has many uses, but the solid ice and the gaseous water vapor are also useful in many ways. Now children, let us do an activity. State whether the following substances dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Number 1. Salt. Children, tell me whether salt dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Yes, you are right. Salt dissolves in water. So what will you write? Dissolve. Okay. Number 2. Sand. Children, tell me whether sand dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Sand do not dissolve in water. Yes. So we'll write sand do not dissolve. Okay. Number 3. Turmeric. Now children, tell me whether turmeric dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Yes, you are absolutely right. It dissolves in water. So what will you write? Dissolve. Number 4. Soil. Children, what will you write? Yes, you are right. Do not dissolve. Okay. Number 5. Sugar. What will you write? Yes, sugar dissolves in water. Okay. Now, next. Number 6. Groundnut chunks. Now children, tell me whether groundnut chunks dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Yes, you are right. Groundnut chunks do not dissolve in water. Okay. Next, number 7. Red chili powder. Now children, tell me whether red chili powder dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Yes, you are absolutely right. Red chili powder dissolves in water. Okay. Next, number 8. Charcoal powder. Now children, tell me whether charcoal powder dissolve or do not dissolve in water. Yes, you're right. Very good children. Charcoal powder do not dissolve in water. Very good children. Excellent. So children, thank you very much. Today we have completed chapter number 10, more about water.